Google is one of the most used platforms in the entire world. Almost everyone uses Google nowadays. And in this video, we're going to learn how to create a new Google Mail or Gmail account using a phone. We're going to go to my mobile screen, and the next steps are where I'm going to take you through these steps one by one, and I'll teach you how to create a new Gmail account using your iPhone or your Android. Without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, if you're new here, do consider subscribing. It helps a lot. Let's go to my phone screen now and let's begin. So there are a number of ways to create a new Gmail account. First way is to open up Gmail application if you have it installed in your phone. After you've opened up the application, you need to hit your profile picture on the top right corner and then hit add another account. After you click add another account, you need to choose Google from this list and click continue. Now it's going to take you to accounts.google.com. In here you have an option to create an account, so you can just simply tap create an account from here and you can simply go ahead and create an account. Now the other way is to just simply open up Google and just search for create Gmail account. Okay, sorry for my typos there. Okay, so you need to type create Gmail account. The second link that you see here, create a Google account, you need to go to this link, tap on it, and it's going to take you to the next screen. And here you need to choose an account type, whether this account is for yourself or for your business. So you need to tap for myself. After you tap for myself, you need to enter some information here. So for example, you need to enter your first and last name. So I'm gonna enter XYZ ABC just for demonstration. And for username, you can type in your first and last name or whatever username you want to choose. It has to be available. It shouldn't be already taken, and if it is already taken when you're entering it, it's going to tell you that's already taken. So for example, I'm going to type Pakistan is great at gmail.com. So Pakistan is great, and let's go ahead and see if this is available. Now you need to choose a password here, and I'm going to choose a random password, ABC at 12345, and then I'm going to re-enter this password, ABC at 12345, and that's it. And then once you've entered this information, you need to click next. It's going to take you to the next screen, and as you guys can see, Pakistan is great is already taken by someone. It's giving me a few available suggestions of the available usernames, out of which I can choose one. So I can choose Pakistan is great 49 in this case. So I'm just going to click on it and it adds it there. I need to enter my password again, ABC at 12345, and to confirm password, ABC at 12345, and then I need to hit next. Once I hit next, okay, it's saying choose a strong password, so it's going to be okay. Let me choose something else. So after you've entered your password, re-entered your password, you need to hit next, and then on the next screen it's asking you to enter your phone number. Now when you enter your phone number, it's going to send you a confirmation code that you need to enter here, and then you need to enter a recovery email address. This is optional, but it's better if you add a recovery email address. If you're using another email address, you can put that as a recovery email address. So in case if you lose your password, if you forget your password, if your account is in trouble, anything happens, your account gets hacked, this is going to be very, very helpful for you. So I would suggest you to enter the recovery email address. It's going to help you later. And then under that, it's your date of birth. So enter your date of birth and your gender, and after that hit next. So these are pretty much all the steps. Now when you hit next after this step, it's going to send you a password, and it's going to ask you to confirm the password, the OTP that it's going to send you on your phone number. You need to confirm, you need to enter that OTP on the next screen, and your account will be set up. All you need to do after that is, just like you guys can see my email address above there, pakistansgreat49 at gmail.com. So I need to log in with this username and password that I created, and that's it. My account is set up. I can use this account on all the Google platforms. I can use it on Google Voice, I can use it on Google Images, I can use it on Gmail, I can use it in Google Docs, Google Sheets, etc., etc. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments section, but that's how you create a new Gmail account. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.